Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials: Bootstrap 5 linked and a new index. HTML ready. Start by creating the nav element and add a brand link. This gives structure and accessibility. Once done, include the navbar toggler button and the collapse wrapper so the mobile behavior will work. Make sure to add role and area attributes for screen readers because semantics matter. They improve navigation and keyboard use. Now you're ready to populate links and layout classes in the next step. You'll now structure the navbar, wrap content in, container and choose, navbar expand MD or other breakpoint so it collapses at the right width. Add, navbar brand and build a ol with, navbar nav each lie using, nav item and links with, nav link to inherit spacing and focus styles. Then wire the toggler button to the collapse div using databs toggle and the ID selector. This makes the mobile menu slide down. Also add MS Auto to align items to the right when needed. Finish by choosing visual utilities like navbar dark with BG dark or navbar light with BG light so contrast remains clear. Enhance functionality by adding dropdowns using drop-down classes or embed a search form and action buttons. Keep markup consistent for predictable behavior. Once complete, test keyboard navigation, mobile collapse, and focus outlines. If something breaks, first confirm Bootstrap JS is loaded after popper. Check the console for errors, and verify the collapse ID on the button matches the target element.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.